हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू आवर डिस्कशन ऑन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैसूर एमकॉम पीजी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन 2018 paper. I have already solved the first 25 question in another video. I have put the link in the description. If you have not seen the video, to watch that video, and without wasting much time, let's solve the next 25 questions of this paper. Current assets are kept in the business for use over a long period of time for earning income? No, these are the fixed assets. Meant for resale? No. Meant for conversion into cash as quickly as possible. So option number C is the correct answer for this question. Example of current assets are inventory, cash, accounts receivable. In a hire purchase, when will the property in the goods be transferred from seller to buyer? As soon as the goods have been paid for, as soon as the goods have been delivered, as soon as the contract is made, as soon as possible. Correct answer is option number A, that is as soon as the goods have been paid and the final payment is done, the property will be transferred from the seller to the buyer. The act of buying an asset without having to make full payment in the immediate future is called as finance lease, sales and leaseback, operating lease, hire purchasing. So option number D, hire purchasing is the right answer. In case of hire purchase, the total sum payable by hire purchaser as per the terms in order to complete the transaction is net cash price installment, hire purchase price, none of the above. So very simple. If it is a hire purchase, whatever he pays, it is called as hire purchase price. Statistic can be considered as an art, a science, both art and science, neither art nor science. So right answer is it is both art as well as science. Data originally collected for an investigation is called as primary data, secondary data, survey data, original data. So very simple and repeated question. It is nothing but primary data. The heading of a row in a statistical table is known as title, caption, stub, none of this. So it is called as a caption. Bar diagram are dash dimensional diagram, one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional, simple. So correct answer for this is option number A, that is one dimensional. When you see a bar diagram, it shows the value for one particular year, company or any other thing. The value which occurs highest number of times in a series is called as mean, median, mode, normal value. So it is called as mode. More number of time which is repeated, that becomes the mode. Marketing functions are performed by manufacturer, middleman, distribution, all of this. So usually all the three parties performs the marketing function. Sometimes it may be performed by one party, sometimes both, but generally in a chain, that is supply chain, all the parties perform their marketing functions. One of the 4 P's of marketing mix is problem, prosperity, price, all of this. So right option is option number C, that is price. So price, place, promotion and product, these are the 4 P's which are given by E.J. McCarthy. Marketing myopia is a state in which a marketer is consumer oriented, sales oriented, production oriented, future oriented. So consumer oriented and future oriented cannot be answer. So sales oriented and production oriented, if you have to select any one among this, sales oriented will be a better option, but both of the options can go with a marketing myopia. Marketing segmentation refers to the division of the market on various bases, targeting a particular marketing area, positioning a single product, none of this. So correct option is dividing the market on the basis of various criteria. If you target a one area or a segment, then it is called as targeting, and if you want to make positioning in that area, then it is called as positioning strategy. Dissonance reducing behavior means when the customer is angry, when the consumer is dissatisfied with his purchase, both of this, none of this. So right option is going to be option number B, that is whenever a consumer is dissatisfied during his purchase or after his purchase, then it is called as dissonance reducing behavior or dissonance reducing buying behavior. Elements of cost of product are material only, labor only, expenses only, material, labor and expenses. So correct option is material, labor and expenses. All this together makes a cost of a product. These are called as elements of cost of a product, in which material usually is the highest and remaining two depends upon the type of product. Conversion cost includes converting dash into dash. So always remember, conversion cost is a cost which helps in conversion of raw materials into a finished good. The total cost of a product is rupees 10,000. Profit is 25% on selling price. The total profit is going to be, so 25% on selling price, they are going to say it is profit. So 25% of selling price is nothing but it becomes 33% of your cost price. So 33% of cost price is nothing but 10,000 into 33%, which is going to be 3,333 rupees. The abbreviation of LIFO is Large Integrated Financial Organization, Least Interesting Financial Option, Last in First Out method, none of this. So right answer is going to be last in first out method. FIFO stands for first in first out method. Both of these are important for your exam. The closing work in progress inventory of last year is not carried forward to the next year, is treated as opening inventory for current year, becomes expenses in the next year, change to profit and loss account. So right answer is going to be option number B, that is it is treated as the opening inventory for the current year. Last year closing will be this year opening. Which is not related to depreciation deduction for a company. It must be owned by the assessee, definitely it is there. It must be used for business purpose, exactly it should be there. It should be used during the relevant previous year, this is also correct. So it must be recorded in the company's balance sheet, this is not correct as per the Income Tax Act. Income deemed to accrue or arise in India is taxable in case of resident only, both ordinary resident or non-ordinary resident, non-resident, all the assessees. So right option is going to be all the assessees. If it is deemed to accrue or arise in India, then it is taxable in case of all the different assessees. What is the full form of ITR? So ITR refers to income tax returns. An individual assessee should have a valid dash for registering with the e-filing. So you can file your income tax if you have TAN, PAN, TIN or GST. So right option is option number B, that is PAN, which stands for permanent account number. Long-term capital asset, that is shares, are held for. So shares, if you held for more than 12 months, then it is called as a long-term capital asset. Apart from shares, the other assets, if you held it for more than 36 months, it becomes a long-term capital asset or it becomes a short-term capital asset. But for share, it is 12 months. Which of the following errors are clerical errors? Error of commission, yes. Error of omission, yes. Compensating error, yes. So all the above is the right answer for this question. So this concludes 2018 University of Mysore MCOM PGEE question paper. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment box. And if you like the video, please hit a like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching the video and share this video with your friends so that they can also take the advantage of this video. Thank you.